Mama Akwaba, Wafreme, Ajua searching, Mesrel, now wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell also for more news. Ebusiafo.
And then Dr. Bawumia commission watermelon processing factory Walewale in the hometown. Baby created hundreds of direct jobs and over 1,000 indirect jobs. Omo watermelon food, baby mom ready markets, a big marketer, sika baby bomb bottom. Mebuna and Kaomo beba Kumaseni Akra babe Kayai, and then Omubenya argument, and Yadi Omobeba Ababe farmer. 8 years Mahama be vice president and president. Obi nche one single project Mahama ye Bole Bamboy ni krom a boy etu ohia se kakra. Me challenge NDC for no. Obi ma me just one project and I will give the person $500. So to make one project with evidence Mahama 8 years be vice president and president. Otimi ye Bole Bamboy a boy tu ohia se kakra. Me say me ma $500. Maybe I can't say Mahama is useless. As some of you don't understand. On one casani chrome when Sinya Bibi Papa Bia and Siwan Boa Mebuna or what. That should tell you how useless he is. We will be under MPP government in when you Jumaya video you sheni netini. Once we will be on that Wakuma so and Ben MPP a Ben and the MPP government when you Juma and Sakon and one also share video ye netini. Obetimia CV, no one sending a money park on no, so Asha Sama Meba became you so. Some of Kayan and this phone have been complaining bitterly. Send an ad to a fan crofobia under the Office of Government Machinery. 19 years. See a castle Office of Government Machinery and your mom Juma or Jubilee House. Oko Ministry of Health. Ebi wo Oko Ministry of Education ebi wo Oko Ministry of Interior ebi wo Oko Local Government ebi wo Ambulance Services Free SHS Secretariat Edorson thousands of people near form adwuma under the Office of Government Machinery Okujeto Ablakwa Felix Kwatio Fusu Sami Jemfi. All these people have been complaining bitterly over time on TV, in public. Obi oso meboano onko Google, onko search for. Now, NDC for the platforms from reliable sources in their closed door meetings. Asema omaka epa omabona meba be sania kire wo ne tie ni yi. NDC for ne say nana do ama public sector na e choke wa fa MPP for nko am. Enti omo ba in order to create space for food soldiers, they need to chase people out. NDC for no, they are radical. Here to travel. They don't play by the books. Food soldiers now. Abuse tramon. They won't come writing letter to you. See you wedding they are cockot. They will chase you out. And yebida. Mobile kaya mo politics channel. In 2009, Abraham NDC bar power. Omana President Kofa form a Jumam Ghana for innocent Ghanaians and no more youth employment program, National Youth Employment Program, NADMO, local government, the various municipal and district assemblies, metropolitan assemblies, Omuchesi out, RCC. They just said they went there, guns blazing, wielding machetes, out. And that is what they want to do again, to create space for their food soldiers. Almost they are going to chase you people out. It's not about MPP, it's about your survival. It's about wo bosenia wonso benya bibi edi akofie edi akwa busia. It's Munti Assembly Namon Shannon song. With a public service announcement.
Children, our Munko school. Because when you came out and say, a bit ma in about 20 years nearby implement this system. I feel the also waiting me. Now, Satamana also woman money yen. Went to me and Shem Kolau. And now we see economy now break your ass and I also bet my as a university. And I campaign team.
I get your question.
Definitely. Say a man in you was ya titi pro your downgraded economy. How are you going to find the money to look after them? What say Oba Bema health care are free as saying. Health care you 95% of all primary health care cases already under the NHIS. There's also the para system obeba. Yes, kana ye JDM. And I was so ede abaye wo mahama care na na asese na yeso obegu
So what kind of back corruption ti e hon so benya sika ho na for there some of those projects no.
Yeah, mu bi ye me yimani meka. Me head insurance my year adwuma o. Minim de America. Minim de ni ye kama na MPP wo ho ene de NDC be. I know all these things. Politics just to capture power and foster his own ideas. I must be frank with you. Where would you maba a mutimi hwe obi de at least will be ni mukura na obenya kakra kodi. Yeti abrochira hai. Sa asem no a nkura be ko school for admission fee bra. Registration fee. Every year so. Sister. Free year so pa ne. Mind nkakra. MDC phone timi mo boy kanchire ye say. Edi ade no mu ba. Mo betumi ama dollar na. Omu de you move say fa no $4 to $1. Omu nchire kwan o betumi afa so ama na abaten no. How are they going to do it? So, and the systems na Bawumia building no. Obi catch them say data ehun here. Data is a modern gold here. It's a gold of the new era. Now say na pre entimi nkone you be hacking into their data. Enti unu we ka manfo abo. Enti you catch them say data hu here who di agro. Because minimum go 40 Ghana. Omu ye adwumu abrochire ha. Omu ye data entry. Omu sika ho. Enti so catch them say data ni one ma who di agro. Bibeka kora no sole o sha na adwo no ye adwuma sa abre wakroko yin ni. Obopon Ghana 3. Into a pon no nya sika beka so ye sakawa. O ye genuine job. I mark no. Enti say yentimi create direct employment. There are other you can say unrelated employment averages
Okay.
Using this.
You see, by what you are saying, the other digits are neighbor, and that should be the option that people should go for. Maybe.
Absolutely. At least you have shown us an option. What are they bringing?
Okay, very well.
You just talk about 24 economy. 24 economy is just a mantra.
Okay.
And yeah, man, this is what had me buy you have first. Now warehouse we bring Trambo buy and will be in Yemen. And warehouse started started.
Okay.
A bad day no bit my because na and can bet my 24 hours. But say any many how you going to run it? Now cast over man call for will be come morning, ever call 8 hours in the afternoon. Are you going to pay them?
Okay. Yo. But me now ask Mr.
MPP.
Okay.
At least nyakura yes NDC me dem asem.
Okay, yo. Yeah, that's you also entitled to your choice. Mr. GHO Mudino no good evening.